Sensitive skin can be tricky to care for because it reacts easily to harsh ingredients, environmental factors, and even everyday stress. Finding a gentle yet effective face lotion that soothes, hydrates, and protects without irritation is key. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best face lotions formulated specifically for sensitive skin. Each product offers unique benefits to calm redness, boost moisture, and restore your skin's natural barrier. Let's dive in and find the perfect lotion to keep your sensitive skin healthy and comfortable. Kicking off our list at number 1, Aveeno Ultra-Calming. The Aveeno Ultra-Calming Daily Moisturizer is designed specifically for sensitive skin prone to redness and irritation. It features a calming formula that soothes and hydrates while protecting against environmental stressors. This lotion is lightweight yet nourishing, making it suitable for daily use, especially for those who struggle with sensitive or reactive skin types. Key features. The key ingredient is feverfew, a natural botanical known for its anti-inflammatory and calming properties. The lotion also contains broad-spectrum SPF 15 to protect skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays, which can exacerbate sensitivity. It's fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic, reducing the risk of irritation or clogged pores. Benefits and usage. Use this lotion every morning after cleansing to hydrate and calm skin, helping to reduce redness and prevent flare-ups. Its soothing properties ease discomfort caused by sensitivity, while the SPF protects against sun damage. The formula balances hydration without leaving a greasy residue, making it comfortable for all-day wear. Usability. The lotion has a smooth, lightweight texture that absorbs quickly, without leaving any sticky or heavy feeling. It layers well under makeup or sunscreen and is suitable for combination to oily sensitive skin. The pump bottle ensures hygienic, controlled application, minimizing waste. Durability. A 2.5 ounces bottle generally lasts around 2 months with daily use. The formula remains stable, maintaining its soothing and moisturizing effects over time. The packaging protects the product from contamination and degradation. 5 in the second spot. We have Neutrogena Hydro Boost Sensitive and Neutrogen Hydro Boost Gel Cream. For sensitive skin is a hydrating lotion designed to provide intense moisture while being gentle on delicate skin. Its unique gel cream texture delivers hydration without clogging pores or causing irritation. Formulated without fragrance or dyes. It's perfect for those who need deep hydration that won't trigger sensitivity. Key features. The main ingredient is hyaluronic acid, known for its exceptional moisture-binding properties, drawing water into the skin for long-lasting hydration. The formula is hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, making it ideal for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Its oil-free nature prevents heaviness or breakouts. Benefits and usage. Apply daily to clean skin to replenish moisture, restore softness, and soothe dryness without irritation. The lightweight gel cream quickly absorbs, providing an immediate boost of hydration while calming. Sensitive skin. Regular use improves skin texture and elasticity. Usability. The gel cream spreads smoothly and absorbs rapidly, leaving no greasy or sticky residue. Its minimalist formula works well under makeup or sunscreen and is suitable for all skin types. Prone to sensitivity. The tub packaging allows easy access, but requires hygienic use with clean hands or a spatula. Durability. A 1.7 ounces jar lasts approximately 1.5 to 2 months with daily application. The formula maintains its fresh texture and moisturizing capacity throughout its use. Proper storage away from heat and moisture preserves its efficacy. Coming in at number 3 is the Vanicream Moisturizer. Vanicream Moisturizing Cream is a dermatologist recommended product formulated specifically for ultra-sensitive and allergy-prone skin. It focuses on delivering intense hydration without any common irritants such as dyes, fragrances, parabens, or lanolin. This cream is suitable not only for the face, but also for other dry or sensitive areas of the body. Key features: the formula includes petrolatum and glycerin, both effective humectants and occlusives that lock in moisture and restore the skin. Barrier: it's free from dyes, fragrance, and harsh chemicals, making it one of the gentlest options for sensitive skin types prone to eczema or dermatitis. Benefits and usage: use as needed on clean skin to alleviate dryness, redness, and irritation. The rich texture provides long-lasting hydration and protects the skin from environmental aggressors that can trigger sensitivity. Its hypoallergenic nature ensures it can be used safely on very delicate or compromised skin. Usability: despite its rich cream consistency, Vanicream absorbs well without clogging pores or causing discomfort. It works best as a nighttime moisturizer or for particularly dry areas. Packaging in a tub format offers generous product but requires careful hygienic handling. Durability: a 16 ounces tub offers excellent value and lasts several months depending on frequency of use. The formula remains stable and effective over time, with no separation or loss of moisturizing power. Taking our fourth spot is Eucerin Redness Relief. Eucerin Redness Relief Soothing Night Cream targets redness and irritation commonly associated with sensitive skin. It's formulated to nourish and calm the skin overnight, helping to restore the natural moisture barrier and reduce visible redness. This cream is particularly beneficial for sensitive skin affected by dryness and environmental stress. Key features: the cream contains licorice root extract, known for its anti-inflammatory and skin brightening properties. It also includes soothing oatmeal and a potent blend of moisturizers like glycerin and shea butter to deeply hydrate and repair skin. It is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. Benefits and usage: applying nightly to clean skin to calm irritation, reduce redness, and support skin's natural repair processes. The rich yet non-greasy texture nourishes deeply without causing breakouts or irritation. Consistent use results in visibly calmer, softer, and more balanced skin. Usability: the cream spreads easily and absorbs fully overnight, leaving skin feeling refreshed by morning. Its fragrance-free formula suits the most sensitive skin types. The sturdy jar packaging provides ample product, but requires hygienic application to avoid contamination. Durability: a 1.7 ounces jar generally lasts about 1.5 to 2 months with regular nightly use. The product maintains its soothing, moisturizing qualities over time without separation or degradation. At number 5, we have Bioderma Sensibio Light. Bioderma Sensibio Light Soothing Moisturizer is a lightweight lotion designed to soothe and protect sensitive skin prone to redness and irritation. Developed by a dermatologist-focused brand, this moisturizer is formulated to restore skin's comfort and strengthen its natural defenses, while providing essential hydration. Key features: the moisturizer includes patented biological ingredients that target and calm inflammation, alongside hydrating agents like glycerin and niacinamide to repair and brighten skin. It is fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic, suitable for daily use on delicate skin. Benefits and usage: use morning and evening to reduce redness, hydrate skin, and protect the skin's barrier. Its calming ingredients relieve discomfort caused by sensitivity and help skin recover from environmental stress. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, providing lasting moisture without heaviness. Usability: the lotion's smooth, creamy texture applies easily and absorbs without residue or shine. It layers well under makeup or sunscreen and suits combination to oily, sensitive skin. The tube packaging offers hygienic dispensing and portability. Durability: a 1.35 ounces tube lasts about 1.5 months with consistent use. The formula retains its soothing and hydrating properties without drying out or separating, ensuring reliable performance. Sensitive skin deserves special care, and choosing the right face lotion is a critical step toward calming irritation and maintaining healthy hydration. These top 5 best face lotions for sensitive skin offer gentle, yet effective formulas designed to soothe, protect, and restore your skin's natural balance. Whether you prefer a lightweight gel or a rich cream, there's an option here to fit your needs. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and take gentle care of your skin.